Welcome back to another video of Excel with Mark, and today we're going to be looking at how we can quickly separate names within Excel. As you can see from the list here, we have the full name, the last name and the first name columns. Within them we have the values of Tommy Smith, Lily Jones and Owen Andrews. So a nice easy way that we can do this is by clicking up and selecting the data that we have. From here we want to go up to the data tab, and then we want to move down to the text columns. Clicking on that, we can see that we have this little pop-up box that comes up for us. From this pop-up you can see that we have two options. We have the delimited and the fixed width. We can click on the next because we want to use the delimited option, and we can see that the tab is already selected for us within this pop-up. So what we want to do is unselect the tab, and we want to click the comma and space. As we can see that on all the different values within column B, it has the comma and it has a space. If you want a preview of what you're going to get, you can look down in the box down here and you can see how that works. By ticking and unticking the space, you can see that it adds a little bit of a gap, but obviously we're not looking for the gap, so we want it to be nice and clean. Once we've got our data correct, we can then click the next, and we can see that we have another pop-up box asking us pretty much where do we want to put this. Currently it's selected at B3 as a destination, but we want to change this. So we can click into that there on the side, and we can click to start out on the C3 option. At that point we can press enter, and now we know that our data is going to be moved into C3, okay, with the general and general there, moving into column and column. Once we get to this point, we can click finish, and it's going to say that there's already data in there. Do we want to replace it? We're going to click yes. And we can see that our data is nice and easily moved over, separated exactly how we want it, making it nice and clean. And this works with a variety of different options and lists of any size. So hopefully that helps. Thank you for watching, and we'll hopefully see you again soon.